Hello everybody, I'm Storm Shield meteorologist Jason Myers. It is Thursday, May 29th, 2014, only a couple days away from the 1st of June, which is this Sunday, and it's quiet in the severe weather world. Yesterday we saw a little bit of activity, but today looks very dull if you're looking for some severe weather, with the exception of some flooding. Let's get to it. Yesterday's severe weather was mostly just wind and hail reports up and down in the mid-Atlantic and then in the southeast, and then quite a bit in Montana and Wyoming as far as just wind reports, a few reports of hail, two tiny landspout tornadoes in central Illinois, and really that's about it. Today, it's warm in the southeast. We're going to see some pop-up showers and thunderstorms really in the southeast and in parts of the Midwest. Cool in the northeast. Look at this. These temperatures are in the 50s, some spots even in the 40s. That's more like April rather than late May, early June. And those warmer temperatures go all the way back to the Central Plains, and a little bit cooler when you get to the Rocky Mountain states and the out west. As for the rain, that heat and humidity that I was telling you about in the southeast, that is going to be put to work. We could even see some flash flooding potential in parts of Alabama, Georgia, in the panhandle of Florida, because these thunderstorms that are working their way east, they're hardly moving at all, and they're going to continue to develop throughout the rest of the day. So flash flooding a possibility, and then we could see the same thing later this afternoon when more storms pop up in central West Virginia. So that's what's going on there. The models just kind of highlighting that and what's going on. We'll go back to the morning hours, and has a pretty good handle on things. You see this, watch these rain showers here as they continue to move to the east as we go forward in time. They don't make a whole lot of progress, and we see a lot of pop-up thunderstorm activity in the southeast and even the mid-south, the parts of the Midwest, the southern half of Illinois, Indiana, and then southern Ohio, also seeing some of those pop-up showers and storms. A very summer-like pattern we're in. And then there's a bit of there's a boundary right here from about Phoenix up through the Rocky Mountain states and then the north central plains. We could see some activity firing up along this boundary, and that could bring us some general run-of-the-mill thunderstorms. But as for severe weather, the Storm Prediction Center issuing just a general risk for thunderstorms. The area is shaded in green, and right there's that boundary, and then where we're looking at those pop-up showers and thunderstorms, wind hardly a risk. Where we're looking at the same spot for severe weather yesterday, and then in the Dakotas back to Wyoming seeing some wind. The Carolinas could see some strong wind. Hail is really only a possibility in the Dakotas and part of northeast Wyoming right there. Tornado activity, I don't think we're going to see much, but right here is there. The SPC has a small risk in Louisiana, southern Mississippi, southern Alabama right there. So all in all, it looks like it's going to be looking more like a summer day with some general run-of-the-mill pop-up thunderstorms. Don't think we're going to see a lot of severe weather, if any, at all. But today's a great day to download Storm Shield because we're getting out ahead of it. We will see severe weather in the future. Doesn't look like we'll see any in the next couple of days, at least any widespread outbreaks. But we could see some, so go ahead and download it. We'd really appreciate it. And I'll keep you posted on these videos. Just like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.